Hello everybody! So, I don't know if you knew this, fun fact for today, but if you want people to be able to watch things, you have to record it. And I am learning that very, very quickly, because I have done that twice in like the last week. So that's been something. So, just a brief recap of what happened. We looked at YouTube the YouTube comments, and tabby phosphors were requested, so I just barely got those. We've been running around screaming trying to find food because of these little guys right here. They are very angry constantly. Okay. We found some more chickens, a couple, just a few, and we found our next slime gate, so we need to find a key for it. I think this will be much more productive now that I didn't spend the last half hour running around finding food. So, let's go check our mail and then let's get into it. Alright, so, starting from Bob, he says, hello! Hello. Hello, hello. Chickens. Hello, chickens. Chicken. Hello, Bob. P.S. Chicken. Really, just a man after my own heart. Chickens. Alright, the death hike from Casey. So, hi, Bia. Do you remember when you took me hiking? I still didn't know how serious you were about the whole outdoors thing then, and your idea of a hike just about killed me. I showed up in normal clothes and shoes, and you were decked out and had a pack and gear. It was a nightmare for me. I think it was around the 5-mile mark when I was drenched in sweat and ready to collapse that I realized our ideas of fun were two very different things. Also, you weren't even out of breath then, and I still totally hate you for that. From Casey. So we have the sense that this is an X, and I don't know that I love that I got that from him. I was there, I know. I know, Casey. Thanks. Anyways, the 7Z Rewards Club from the 7Z Corporation. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to extend you a very special offer to you. An invitation to the very exclusive, exceptionally choice, highly sought after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Rewards Club allows you to earn ultra premium ranks within an exclusive club for only a semi-ultra premium price. It's just that easy. Each rank grants you a new club title along with unique rewards such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We look forward to your enrollment. The 7Z Corporation, offering you a path to greatness, one large sum of new bucks at a time. That sounds about right. Alright, the van from Casey. Okay, it wasn't that bad. You just don't have the fortitude to make it as an artist, I guess. Beatrix LeBeau can climb a mountain before breakfast, but can't spend a few days in a modestly accommodated, breaks down only half the time, vintage touring van. You were so miserable, I still laugh about it. But I really did appreciate it for those few days. It was great to have you in the crowd. That van still runs, by the way. P.S. That was a lie. The van literally caught on fire while we were driving it. It died like a Viking. Sure, Casey. Okay, moving on. Okay, so these guys like veggies, and I think some food would help them stop flipping out, so let's go get them some odd onions. And once we get everybody settled, we can start looking for that next slime key. We need food desperately. Clearly, everyone's just extremely hungry. Well, I do hope that you are having a great start to your day today. Sorry for just the very frazzled introduction there. But this is episode 5, so let's see what we can get done. Odd onion. We will find an odd onion. That? Huh. I wonder how you get to there. Odd onion. Well, if nothing else, at least we're getting some carrots. Lots and lots of... Hey, there's one! Okay. Odd onion achieved. We've been over there before. I think the indigo quarry might be tapped out on Gordos. There's gotta be... Go, beat him up, beat him up, radiate them. You are not good at your job. Okay. Let's take this cut kind of back. If we fly around that way, that doesn't work. So we fly around that way. Whoa, well, we got this, we got this. Come on, stamina. Yep. Where is the... No, 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 no. That's all just cliff face, really? Okay, we're gonna go for that then. Can we make it up there? No, no we cannot. No, we cannot. Ah! Okay. Hey! What are you doing out here? Ooh, I bet our phosphorus lamps are in this. You know, I always come this way thinking it'll be faster, and then I think it usually does not at that point. Yeah. So back this way and up. Oh, there we go, there we go. And the farm's right over across these cliffs. Don't fail me now. Okay, we made it. Alright. Phosphorus, I am so sorry to just hit you in the face with that. These are so adorable. Okay, whoever suggested that in the YouTube comments, yeah, because these are, they're so cute. Aww. Okay, eat your vegetables. Onion, please. Yes, grow me onions. Chicken comes a little full, but that's okay. I'm shooting down. There's no way I'm getting those poops without getting murdered. are feeling situated in here, so we can go explore. Okay, let's get the collector. Whoa, that is a lot of money. Alright, well, we will reinvest that back into you guys. There you go. These collectors are really nice. We might just... let's put these on all of the... oh, shoot. Okay. Well, we can get some more money. Let's just grab lots of food from over here and get everybody settled. We'll just vacuum everything. Where did the chicken come from? There's just chickens flying out of nowhere. Wow, there's so many. Chicken. See, that Bob guy knew what was out. Like, look at that face. Their little icon right there. You can't not appreciate that face. Okay. Stay in there. And here's fruit for you guys. And carrots for you guys. Okay, that should... who do I have to choose from here? What's up, Ogden? Carrots do not actually help you see in the dark. That was a government campaign. You just want fruits and veggies. Sure, sure. I have immediately forgotten what I was collecting. Was it carrots? Pogo fruit, Q-berries, and heartbeats. Okay. Q-berry, Pogo fruit, heartbeat, right? Okay. I don't remember for certain, but I think there's a phosphor gordo hidden somewhere along the coastline there. Hey, Q-berry and a heartbeat. What are the chances? And we've got that many pogo fruit. Okay. Okay, that should be enough pogo fruit. Let's do heartbeat next. Those look like heartbeats. Maybe this box. Nope. Let's try and find some more. Somewhere. And that teleporter bad. Until we buy the cave, that teleporter bad. Okay, okay. More carrots. Can I'm here for heartbeats. Where are they? Not Oka Oka. Maybe the island has it. Carrots, okay. Hey, I like jetpack upgrades. Y'all got any heartbeats around here? Is that a... Wait, we fell down that hole and we totally missed the slime key? Oh, wow. Good job. We got a slime key. Let's go. Excuse me. Sorry, I can't help with the you getting murdered thing. Good luck. Alright, well, there are no heartbeats here. Back this way? Okay, they're out. Ow. They're here. Thank you, indigo cord. Sure. Some more heartbeats and a teleporter back to the house. Sweet. Alright, is this enough for you? Okay, we need more of those, but... Hey, here's some more carrots! Yeah. You guys like vegetables, I think? Do you guys don't like vegetables, do you? Well, thank you for not exploding my face while I clean up my mistake. Here's some more fruit. Enjoy. Okay, let's get Chef Man his ingredients, and then let's open that door. And maybe upgrade our stamina. It's gonna bother me if I can't find that phosphor slime. I am really curious. It was along the cliff line over there, I think. Well, all in all, I will say I think it was a bit of a lucky stroke that I didn't hit record, because this is a lot more meaningful progress than running around frantically finding food, so... I can assure you it was very stressful, however. There we go, yeah! He immediately sent me mail. What is that about? What can I help you with, Ogden? Partnership? I'd like to offer you a job doing a little side work for me. I've got a chunk of land on the outskirts of my property that has access to a place called the Wilds. A land of primitive feral slimes and dangerous as all get out, but also home to a delicious rare fruit that I love. If you're up for a challenge, come on down to a little retreat of mine near the Wilds and learn more. I found a derelict teleporter on your ranch that I've activated. It'll take you right there. Hope to see you. Oh well? Who will? Cool. Sure. We'll look at that sometime soon. Not right now, because I want to explore the... Oh, that's showing me where it is. Does that permanently stay on my screen? I have other things to go look at. I'm sorry, not right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, the slimes are all settled. So I think we're in business now. No, that's... I'm just gonna need you to take your stinky butt. You too. Stinky man. Get out of here. Leave those guys alone. No, get out. Two. Sick of everyone's bad attitudes. What's your problem? What are you angry about? I should be the angry one. Me, not you. Taking care of all of those slimes is a lot more than I thought it would be. Okay, so we found there was another slime gate over... Of course there's cute berries up there, why not? There's another slime gate over here. We're gonna open this up and see where it goes. This is some fun music. What? Pink. Oh, right. I think I need lots of plorts to open this. So I need a boom slime. Okay. A phosphor slime. A rock slime. Another key? Oh, that goes to the indigo quarry instead, I see. Okay, a radiation, a honey. You know, I could probably find most of those pretty quick here. Okay. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to try to keep it inside my head. I'm going to try really hard to remember all of those, because that was a lot. Do I need Tabby? You know, if I just feed you a chicken, that's like 2, right? Yeah, have a chicken. Yeah, there's probably those 2 in there. Let's see. Alright. Yeah. Where's the rest of these? There's gotta be a Tabby around here somewhere. Tabby, I see your little ears up there. Try to be sneaky. Okay, so radiation, honey, rock, and phosphor. Yes. Okay. Let's try and go get those. Tabby. Sorry. We might have to go back to the farm for the phosphor, so maybe we just do the jungle circuit really quick. Run through the jungle again. Here we go. Yes, poop for me, perfect. Do not put your poop on your head. That's weird. Elder chicken. Is that it? No, these are mint mangoes. Okay. Yeah, we'll just go back to the farm really quick here. No, I am not going there right now. Elder chicken. Okay, I need 1 phosphor poop. Okay, and then we needed radiation rock, radiation rock, and what was the other one? I don't. What was it? Radiation rock. Okay, that's 2. Radiation rock and let's go with those 2. It'll come back to me. Radiation rock. Was it just radiation rock, honey? And maybe that might actually be it. That might. Let's trust the gut instincts here. That was all of them. Let's get you some of your favorite thing to eat there, bud. Yeah. want to say it was only 4 more. I think this is it. I hope. Teleporter bad. Just walk out. It's fine. Just walk out. Where am I? Every time with the indigo quarry. This way? Is that? That's not the entrance, is it? That is? That looks nothing like it. Okay, sure. I really hope this is all the ones we need. I mean, we couldn't carry any more anyway, so it's fine. Even if it's not, right? Ow. 1 second. Oh no! What? Not while I'm drinking tea, come on! Okay, honey. That looks like phosphor. Rock? I don't get singing for that one? Okay. That looks like all of them. Okay, let's see this, let's see this. Yay! That is a very fancy door opening. Ancient ruins. Okay. Oh! Oh! Quantum lemon! Phase lemon! Yeah, okay. You know, I'm shocked we're already at this point. Maybe we can get some quantum slimes early. Yeah, there they are. Now we've got a way to grow them food. Ow. Okay, well, as much as I do want to start exploring here, because this area is just really cool, I think we'll need to call this episode as soon as I get back to the... Hello? Am I locked in here? Wait. Oh no, I can just open it. Right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's get back to the farm really quick, and we will pick this up next time. Where are we? Map. Okay, okay. there really not like a way to climb out of here? Oh, here we go. That is much less painful. We can just take the Teddy Gordo teleporter. And there goes the frames. You can do it, computer. Come on. I am not visiting Ogden's retreat right now. Come on. Soon. Alright. Well, that was a very, very eventful session of Slime Rancher. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm very sorry the first little bit was missed, but I will work on pressing the record button in the future. So, as always, thanks for coming by, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. We will see you next time. See ya!